Hello friends, in this video we will learn about idioms and their meanings pronunciation, so let's begin our topic. Twiddle. With. To. Play. Negligently. With. Something. Twiddle. With. To. Play. Negligently. With. Something. Vamp. Up. To. Improve. Something. Vamp. Up. To. Improve. Something. Whittle. Away. To. Cut. Something. In. Small. Portions. Whittle. Away. To. Cut. Something. In. Small. Portions. Winkle. Out. To. Pry. Something. Away. To. Remove. Winkle. Out. To. Pry. Something. Away. To. Remove. Give. Someone. The. Bums. Rush. To. Be. Removed. Forcibly. Give. Someone. The. Bums. Rush. To. Be. Removed. Forcibly. Loom. Large. To. Appear. Big. Loom. Large. To. Appear. Big. Besetting. Sin. A. Habitual. Sin. Besetting. Sin. A. Habitual. Sin. To. Hang. Fire. To. Delay. Something. To. Hang. Fire. To. Delay. Something.